Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. From the top of a tower h meter high, the angle of depression of two objects which are in line to the foot of the tower is alpha and beta, where beta is greater than alpha. What is the distance between the two objects? Now let's try and visualize the situation. This is the given tower. This is the ground level. And it is given that angle of depression of two objects is alpha and beta. So let's see, angle of depression is calculated with respect to this imaginary horizontal line. So the angle of depression is, for alpha we can say something like this. This is alpha. Also, other object is at angle of depression of beta. So let's see, this is beta. From here to here is beta. And the required distance is this. We can assume, let distance of first object be d1 and second object be d2. So from the diagram, from diagram, d is equal to d1 minus d2. Let's name it equation 1. Now we know angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. So this must be alpha and this must be beta. And this is the height of the tower as given, which is h. So let's write trigonometrical ratios for this situation. We can say cot alpha is equal to adjacent upon opposite, which is equal to d1 upon h. Therefore, we can say d1 is equal to h cot alpha. Similarly, cot beta is equal to adjacent upon opposite. So we get d2 upon h. Therefore, d2 equal to h cot beta. Before that, we should probably write that angle of elevation, angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Therefore, changes made in diagram as shown. So the changes are, this angle I have named as beta and this angle I have named as alpha. So now we've got values of d1 and d2. So we have d is equal to d1 minus d2, which is equal to h cot alpha minus h cot beta, which is equal to h multiplied by cot alpha minus cot beta. We have taken h common. So this is the answer. Let's see, answer is option, and yes, that has to be in meters. So answer is option C.